Hello everyone, welcome back to the Garden Life channel. In today's video, we'll teach you 5 elements how to grow your own cucumbers. 5 elements are sunlight, proper soil, fertilizer, spacing, and the right container. Like most vegetables, cucumbers need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Will grow you the perfect cucumbers in your own backyard. When it comes to cucumbers, it can be real tricky what soil you use. Whatever you do not dig up your garden and use native soil, especially when you're growing them in containers or grow bag like these. What you want to do is get vegetable soil. You can pick it up from your local Home Depot or your local Lowe's, wherever you have a garden center, to grow the perfect cucumbers. When it comes to containers, you want to make sure you have a big enough container so that the roots can grow and develop. Containers and grow bags like these come in many different sizes. I'm using a 10-gallon grow bag, but you can get whatever you want to use. Very important tip. You want to make sure you give your cucumbers enough space so they can develop and grow. Mines, I give them 8 inches of space, but usually a lot of people say give them 12 to 16 inches space, but I don't have that much space to give them. So 8 inch, they're growing perfectly to me. When it comes to fertilizing your cucumbers, as you see it start putting on new foliage and flowering, it's a clear sign that you need to start feeding your cucumbers. Give it some fertilizer, especially when you plant them in grow bags and containers. They require more fertilizer, like every 10 to 15 days. So that's a tip for you. Before transplanting my cucumbers, I first grew my seeds under a glow light for about 6 to 8 weeks. When it comes to harvesting, it takes about 70 to 75 days just to harvest these cucumbers. Well, that's it for now. This cucumber plant, we'll get back to you with the update on the plant. And thank you for watching. We really appreciate you being here. I'm out.